Covini six-wheeled is the first supercar street legal in the world.
The Italians are known for their epic supercars. The Ferrari, the Maserati, the Lamborghini, to name a few. And one that you might not have heard much about. Until now.
No other manufacturer has this technology. The car is very drivable with our power steering.
This is the Covini six-wheeled supercar.
Covini six-wheeled is the first supercar street legal in the world.
My name is Federico Covini. I'm the elder son of Ferruccio. Our goal at first was not to sell these kind of cars, but we just build them for passion. And then we try to find the right investor in order to reach our target.
The Covini six-wheel supercar has been equipped with everything it needs to make the drive a unique experience.
This car is equipped with a 4.2 liters engine positioned in the middle with a transaxle gearbox, and we have the rear wheel drive with approximate 500 horsepower. So the speed is roughly 300 kilometers per hour. It's very powerful, very strong, and when you enter in the corner you feel at the front of the car that is pushing inside, so it's very different from a four-wheeled car, and the sensation is different. The noise of the engine that is so gorgeous and so exciting is really nice. There is no understeer, and you can enjoy a lot when you exit because we have a lot of power without any traction control, so it's very enjoyable to ride. The car inside looks very simple. We have a manual gearbox and a rear view camera, and then you can customize all, starting from the colors to the materials of the leather. Only just you need to drive and to enjoy the car.
The base cost of this car is around 600,000 euros, but then of course you can customize it and you can choose other components and increase of course the value.
With such a unique vehicle, driving it around the streets of Milan always picks up new admirers.
Generally, the people who see this car for the first time is amazed, and they simply can't believe what they're seeing.
Covini è la prima, unica e incredibile supercar.